Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's do some automotive tools reviews, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And now let's open it and remove it from the this. It's heavy. It's 17 pieces, I think. Yeah, 17 pieces screwdrivers, and here's the brand, and I think this one is the serial number or something. uh, let's open it, and here it is. One, two, three, and we have a stubby flat screwdriver and a stubby screwdriver, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flat screwdrivers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 17 uh, plus screwdrivers. And we have a freebie, and you see this, it's nice. It says here Craftsman. Yeah, there's a free keychain from Craftsman when you order this, guys, and you will find out there's a free inside here. And we have a 2 screwdriver, a small one, and it says here that the screwdrivers are serrated slatted blade tip provides excellent screw holding. Philip blade tips are designed to provide tight and uh, tight tolerance and fit. Yeah, and the most important here is the and also it says here it's an alloy steel blade, and heat treated for maximum strength and durability. That's why they have a lifetime warranty. This Craftsman has a lifetime warranty, you see, because they are confident that these screwdrivers and other tools of them are very tough. Yeah, I I suggest you guys to use this Craftsman tools, you see. And it says slatted blade tip because you see those things, you see these lines here. Yeah, it will grip the screws. And what else? And these are the sizes that they provide in 17 pieces. Yeah, and also there's a warranty, full warranty description here, and I don't know what. Okay, guys, here we go. I got a little screw here, so let's try if it is magnetic or not. Okay, let's try the big one first. Let's see. Yeah, it works. It is magnetic, but I think not all of them are magnetic, because there's some reasons, especially in a transmission. When you're doing a transmission jobs, it should not, it should be not magnetic, you see. And it's very nice. Yeah, it says here that it has an advanced plating process, enhances corrosion, and also it says here these tools are corrosion resistance. Yeah, as I said, yes, definitely is it's a corrosion resistance. And the handles are designed for high strength and chemical resistance, flatted and contoured for sure grip and turning power. Yes, it's very comfortable to your hand, especially when you're using this. And while using this, I suggest you to wear gloves, so it will not slip. It's very nice. Okay, let's try this. If this magnetic or not. Yes, this stubby flat screwdriver is magnetic, I think. Yes. Next, the small one with a clip. I think this is nice. Uh-huh. And these are magnetic also. Yes, it is. And this one, yes, it is. And this one, as I told you, some are not magnetic for some reason, especially when you're doing transmission jobs. Okay, good. Now let's try the positive screwdrivers. It's not magnetic. The stubby, it's not magnetic. The small one, it's not magnetic. Yes, it's not magnetic, but it's totally fine, guys, because these are screwdrivers, not a magnet. Okay. Anyway, you gonna buy a telescopic magnet tools. It's like a picking tools or something. They call it magnet, telescopic magnet tools. It's, I think all of the flat screwdrivers are magnetic. And that's all. Okay, guys. Sturdiness and heavy duty tools. Choose Craftsman. I suggest you. I highly recommend these tools. It's very tough tools. It will last forever. But try not to bend it. All screwdrivers don't bend it. Okay. Different sizes. It's very nice. Okay. As I said, 17 pieces and free. Okay. Okay, guys. See you on my next vlog. Let's see what's the next tools will come. Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.